Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. My name is Audible and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our videos. In today's video, I'm walking you around a parking sensor installation on a Mini Cooper. If you're new to our channel, haven't seen this before, hit that subscribe button below. But also, guys, remember we've got the massive 10K subscriber giveaway, giving away a brand new PlayStation 5 as well as an Audison Prima 8.9 amplifier as soon as we reach 10,000 subscribers. So hit that subscribe button, otherwise, let's go. So this solution is a completely flush fit solution. So it's a 17mm sensor, it's an audible tone only. Basically, as soon as you engage reverse, those rear sensors are performing exactly how you'd expect them to. They're basically beeping, and as you get closer, directly up to something, you get a constant tone, advising you that you're close to something and to help you protect your vehicle. But in terms of the actual look of the sensors, they look really, really nice. They're basically like a stock look sensor. Because they're so small, it's 17mm sensor, they look fantastic, but also perform really, really nicely. So there's a little buzzer that sits in the rear quarters, plus we've got a control box mounted inside the vehicle. Then all the wiring is neatly done. Basically, the bumper gets removed, we make the holes for the 17mm sensors to be mounted, and then cable runs are all neatly installed into the vehicle. We take a reverse feed into the control box, so that knows as soon as you engage reverse that your rear sensors turn on completely automatically, and there's nothing on display on the inside of the vehicle, which is really nice. It's very, very factory look. So if you're interested in something like this, you know exactly what to do, guys. Drop us a message on any of our social media platforms. We're more than happy to advise you on different options. Whether you want rear or front sensors, we can do it all here at our site in Cambridge. So thank you very much for watching, guys. We look forward to seeing you soon.